Okay, so we're going to try and reset the engine warnings on this car and reset the service lights. So we can press this side button for about 10 seconds. There we go. That's the service. It says reset possible. One of the things to remember when resetting the brakes is to release the electric brake. Yep, there we go. The car is in park, so it shouldn't roll. Let's try this again. You can push and hold that button for about 10 seconds. There we go. Here's reset possible. Push it. Service, reset possible. Push it. These are all the selections. Okay, I'm going to just push and hold this one to reset it. Form reset. Yes. Form reset, press and hold, reset in progress, reset successful. Great. Okay, all done.